Today, the entire water sport industry seems to have only one topic: foiling. We would like to give you a brief overview of what learning how to kite foil looks like. Choosing the right gear and setup is essential. Our Iron Club instructors will help you to choose the correct mast lengths and trimmings to make your start with foiling as easy as possible. This video is not a tutorial on how to foil, but hopefully helps you to get an idea of what a kiteboarding foil course at the Iron Club looks like. Before participating in a kiteboarding foil course, you should be able to ride upwind safely and without any problems. Experience on riding a surfboard, especially on an underpowered kite, is a great help. This will teach you to stand more upright on the board, a skill absolutely essential in order to learn how to foil. Especially in the beginning, wearing a helmet and an impact vest are obligatory. As simple as that may sound, carrying your foil board to the water is worth practicing. Other than normal kiteboards, foil boards are best maneuvered through the water sideways. Like that, the foil can't develop any lift, making the board a lot easier to control. Water starting. Especially during your first water starts, you want to start with as little speed as possible. Low speeds will help keeping the board in the water, making control a lot easier. Other than one might think, the biggest challenge in the beginning is not to make your board fly, but rather to keep it down on the water. Gaining a feeling of the foil while going slow helps to prevent crashes and potential injuries. Once you're able to ride your foil board in the water without problems, you can slowly begin to gain speed and start shifting your weight ever so slightly backwards. The increased speed and water flow on the wing, in combination with a different angle of attack, will lift your board out of the water. These are the first steps of learning how to foil in one of our Iron Club centres and your ticket to an entire new world of possibilities. We hope to welcome you in one of our water sports centres around the world, and we would be proud to make you fly. Your Iron Club Instructors Team.